Hi, my name's Melissa Burkhead, and I'm looking forward to working with you in the AP Summer Institute BC Calculus affiliated with Western Kentucky University. We will explore cutting-edge strategies that develop mathematics for your students throughout the BC curriculum. In addition, we'll take a look at the course exam description and the mathematical practices so that you can find ways to assess your students throughout the school year in different ways. We will also take advantage of dynamic mathematics such as Desmos for students to develop topics, but also utilize the calculator the way it should be used. Finally, I will be fresh from the AP Calculus reading, and we will discuss the intricacies of the AP Calculus BC exam. I look forward to working with you. Do not hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions.